Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Display and Brightness. Following that, select Font Style and click on the best one for you. I will go with Classic Font. When you're ready, click on Apply and wait. As you can see, style of my text has changed. If you wish to try something else, go to the same settings, but this time choose Download More at the bottom. Then decide which of those fonts you wish to apply. In my case, taking pictures, and tap on Download at the bottom. Lastly, hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!